The COVID-19 crisis has shattered the healthcare system in India and has forced many to turn to social media for help. Be it Twitter or Instagram or even Telegram, SOS calls for oxygen cylinders, medicines, hospital beds are now common across social media. But how does one use these platforms to get the right help, especially if you're not familiar with them? We take a look at how to best use these platforms to get access to COVID-19 resources. Some things to remember before you start. When posting on any platform for help, make sure that you highlight all the key details. This means mention what you need, the name of the patient, age, any health complication, their oxygen levels, and what the current status is. Whether you need hospitalization or a home setup, and what kind of hospital bed, just oxygen or an ICU or a ventilator bed. Don't forget to mention how people can reach you in case they have any leads. Remember, many leads may or may not work, and people may forward links where you will have to dial a lot of numbers. Be patient and get a friend or family member to help you dial if handling it alone is difficult. How to use Twitter to get help. Twitter has a dedicated COVID-19 hub where users can go via the Explore tab. If using a phone, there is a magnifier symbol at the bottom of your Twitter page. On the desktop, just click on Explore on the left side of your Twitter homepage. It has a COVID-19 section. On clicking on this section, the first thing you will see is a COVID-19 SOS with a list of resources. These resources include tweets, leads, other information to help those who are looking for help on the platform. Users can also tweet or search with the hashtag COVID-19 India Help to see what others have tweeted regarding help in their city. Another useful resource for finding information is the COVID-19 Twitter website, which is a simple aggregator tool. It lets you search for medicines, ventilators, oxygen cylinders for your city. Make sure you tick the right boxes. The results will show some verified leads for the concerned information. If you also scroll down on the COVID-19 page, there is a curated list of health authorities, public health experts, doctors, state resources, etc. Users can also use hashtags such as COVID-19 India Help, India Fights Corona, COVID Emergency India, and COVID SOS when tweeting out for help. Use any other hashtags you know that are trending in your town or city to get your call noticed. Don't forget to tag influential people from your city and those who have accounts with a larger following than you so that they can amplify SOS calls. Do not make advance payments without verifying the source. Once your request has been fulfilled, either delete the post or add another tweet to the original thread mentioning that it has been fulfilled. How to use Instagram for getting help. On Instagram, many influencers are amplifying SOS calls and requests sent by their followers. It would be best to tag these influencers in your stories and see if they can repost and share your call. You might have to make your account public so that your stories get more views as well as are shared widely. Allow your friends and followers to share or repost your stories so that they can spread it in their networks. Some Instagram accounts like COVID-19 Help 2021, We Are Yuva, and Fridays for Future India are posting verified COVID resources. Following them may be helpful. Other apps like Facebook and Telegram are also hosting spaces for COVID resources. While Facebook has a dedicated COVID information tab, with official government information. Telegram has huge groups such as the ICLU, COVID Response and Resources Pan India. Be careful to use these apps wisely and also offer any help you can if and when you come across a genuine request.